What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Let Her Go by Passengers on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have the skip to section in the description of this video. You can skip ahead to the strumming or the mini play along if you already know these chords. The chords that we're going to use today are B minor, C, D, E minor, and G. So again, if you already know those chords and you want to skip ahead to the strumming or the mini play along, again, check the description down below. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know those chords, I literally just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. Don't worry, you're going to go step by step about where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord coming right up. But again, if you do want to skip ahead, you can do that down below in the description. It's all going to be down there. But let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song coming up next. All right, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better view of the uke, the strings, and my beautiful fingers, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see it and then also have me talk you through it. So let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need, which is the B minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over all the 4 strings on the 2nd fret. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 4th fret. So it's going to look like that. And it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it's going to look like this. And it's going to sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. So it should look like that. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. Let's go ahead and talk about the E minor chord. So we're going to take our pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 5 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways that you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, please don't add any strumming into the mix. I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I'm not comfortable with strumming just yet. I know the chords, but I'm not at that level to add strumming into the mix. I got you. So the first way that we're going to play the song is going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down on all 4 strings with your thumb, and again, you're just going to strum down. And then as soon as you see a new chord change, you're going to strum down again. It'll sound absolutely amazing. We'll do a little mini play along right now, and you'll just kind of hear how it sounds. So it goes. When you only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let him go. So again, you're just going to strum down with your thumb on all 4 strings. And again, as soon as you see a new chord change, you're just going to strum down. Now, talking about the actual chords and strumming, I do have the full play along video that is live on YouTube right now. It's free. You can go check it out. Link will be down below. That video consists of the full lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. It's super easy song and video to follow. Highly recommend to watch that video after you learn the chords and the strumming for this video. So again, that will be down below. But the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's go ahead and talk about more about the strumming pattern, which is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up once for every chord. So if we do a little mini play along section for this, it's going to be sound like this. 'Cause you only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let him go. So again, you're going to do a strumming pattern once for every chord, and that strumming pattern is going to be a down, down, up, down, up. And again, if you're like, Ricky, I don't know if I want to add strumming, you can always, again, just do a down strum. But again, if you are learning, if you've been learning for a while and you're still doing down strums, I kind of urge you and kind of just recommend to push yourself a little bit and add more strumming into it. But again, I know it takes some time and practice. But again, strum down or a down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. And again, in the full ukulele play along video that I just previously mentioned, that'll be linked down below. We do use the strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up. So if you do want to play along with me, again, that video will be down below. Highly recommend you go check it out. But those are the 2 different ways you can play this song on the uke. All right, so we learned the chords and a couple different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Let Her Go by Passengers on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're playing? Well, let me tell you, this is a tenor-sized Nova U Enya ukulele. It's absolutely amazing. I love the look of it, and also I love the sound, and just everything in general is so cool. It's also a thin-bodied uke, so it's easy to travel with and super light. I'll leave a link down below for this tenor size. I'll also leave a link down below for the soprano and concert size of this uke. The concert and soprano do come in a bunch of other different colors, not just black. So again, links for that will be down below. Also talking about links down in the description, links for the merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. And also we do have the Potato Squad stuff as well. That will be down below. And also links to all of my socials. Everything is at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And finally, make sure to hit that subscribe button below if it is red. If you look down, right down this video and it says subscribe in red, please click that. We're about to hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. As soon as you click subscribe, that button will turn gray and it'll say subscribed with a D at the end. So you know you're subscribed and join the Uke fam. We're about to hit it, so hopefully we can hit it soon. I think we might do a little bit of a giveaway maybe as soon as we hit 100,000. So make sure to tell your granny, your grandfather, your mom, your dad, your uncle, your aunts, your cousins, everybody to subscribe to the channel so we can get there sooner and we can do a giveaway that much quicker. But yeah, that is pretty much it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.